Okay, so we have a new diagnostic tool in the shop that allows us to connect to ECUs and find codes that have been left by problems in our system. This is the OBDII prob starting up. I believe we need to turn on E, so we'll see the dash, all the lights that are flashing there. So we're definitely not a happy system. Asking us to approve. Going to diagnostics. Going to that. Enter. Initializing communication. Auto scan. Enter. We want to read codes. Enter. Stored codes. Look at that. Ignition coil B. Secondary circuit. What does that tell us? That. Nothing, and then we have exhaust pressure control valve. That's because we put this Yoshimura pipe on. So, this ignition coil B primary secondary circuit, we need to check that out and see what the hell's going on there. We can go, I believe here, go back. Stored codes. Let's go back twice. Erase codes. We can erase those codes. Those codes have been cleared. And the dash no longer flashes. Does the dash allow us to get into it? Change anything? Vehicle settings. That would be select. So that lets us get into all of the different settings that we have within the vehicle settings, which is kind of nice because we weren't able to do that with the problems that we were having with the code that was flashing. The engine light makes it so that you can't get into use any of these things. So we're going to see what the problem actually is with that secondary coil or the second coil and see what we can do to repair that and make that all go away and leave us alone.
So when we opened the airbox, we found a nice little mouse nest. And while the mouse was in our airbox nesting, it was also chewing on some wiring. And take a look at the pictures, you'll see that it was pretty destructive. Okay, so we've done the repair. The codes are still flashing. We're going to delete the codes. Codes have been deleted. They're no longer flashing. We're going to turn on the bike and see how we do.
And that brings us to the end of another great tip. Thanks for coming. Please like and subscribe and tell your friends about us so that more people can see our show and we can get to do more shows.